Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if something out there is watching us? Not aliens or spaceships, but something far bigger. Something so massive it's pulling entire galaxies toward it without us even realizing it. Hidden in the depths of space, beyond the stars and dust of our own Milky Way, lies one of the universe's greatest mysteries, the Great Attractor. This invisible force is dragging our galaxy, along with millions of others, toward it at incredible speeds. But what exactly is it, and why can't we see it? The story of the Great Attractor begins in the 1970s, when astronomers made a strange discovery. They knew the universe was expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other as space itself stretched. But when they looked closely, they noticed something odd. Entire clusters of galaxies were drifting in the same direction, as if being pulled by an unseen hand. This didn't make sense. If the universe was expanding evenly, galaxies should be moving apart in all directions. Yet here they were, all streaming toward a single point in space. Scientists called this mysterious force the Great Attractor, and it has puzzled them ever since. The Great Attractor sits about 250 million light-years away from us, in the direction of the constellation Centaurus. Its gravitational pull is so strong that our galaxy, the Milky Way, is racing toward it at more than 600 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to travel from New York to Los Angeles in less than 10 seconds. But despite its immense power, we can't actually see the Great Attractor. Why? Because it lies directly behind the crowded center of our own galaxy, where thick clouds of dust and stars block our view. It's like trying to spot a lighthouse through a dense fog. We know it's there, but we just can't get a clear look. So how do we even know the Great Attractor exists? The answer lies in the way galaxies move. By studying the motion of nearby galaxies, astronomers can map out the invisible forces acting on them. Think of it like watching leaves floating down a river. You can't see the current, but you know it's there because everything is moving in the same direction. In the case of the Great Attractor, galaxies aren't just drifting randomly. They're all being pulled toward the same point in space, revealing the presence of something massive. At first, scientists thought the Great Attractor might be a supercluster, a gigantic gathering of thousands of galaxies bound together by gravity. And they were partly right. The region does contain a large concentration of galaxies, including the Norma cluster, which is one of the most massive structures in our cosmic neighborhood. But here's the problem. Even with all those galaxies, the Great Attractor's gravity still isn't strong enough to explain the incredible speeds at which everything is moving toward it. There must be something even bigger lurking behind it. That's where the Shapley supercluster comes in. Located even farther away, about 650 million light-years from Earth, this is the largest known collection of galaxies in the observable universe. Some scientists believe the Shapley supercluster's immense gravity might actually be the real force pulling us in, with the Great Attractor just being a middle point in this cosmic tug-of-war. If that's true, then the Great Attractor isn't the final destination. It's just a signpost on a much larger journey. But the mystery doesn't end there. There's another force at work in the universe, one that's fighting against the Great Attractor's pull. Dark energy. This mysterious energy is causing the universe to expand faster and faster, pushing galaxies apart. So while the Great Attractor is trying to pull everything together, dark energy is trying to tear it all apart. Which one will win in the end? The answer could determine the ultimate fate of our universe. For now, the Great Attractor remains one of astronomy's biggest unsolved puzzles. Every new discovery raises more questions. Could there be even larger structures beyond Shapley that we don't know about? Is the Great Attractor hiding something stranger than we ever imagined? The more we learn, the more we realize how much we still don't understand. One thing is certain. The universe is far stranger and more mysterious than we ever thought. The Great Attractor is just one reminder that, no matter how much we explore, there will always be new wonders waiting to be discovered. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember our galaxy isn't just floating in space. It's part of an endless cosmic dance, pulled by forces we can't yet see or fully understand. And somewhere out there, hidden in the darkness, the Great Attractor continues to call us toward the unknown.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.